Hello all, today let us discuss the VLSI Laboratory Part B of the 7th semester students Electronics and Communication Engineering, in which analog design procedure for schematic and layout simulation of auto or digital to analog converter is verified for the transient analysis. The general procedure of the analog design includes the two methods. One is the schematic simulation, second is the layout simulation. The schematic simulation includes the generation of the schematic of the auto or digital to analog converter with the help of the op-amp libraries, and then a symbol is created for the auto or DAC, and the test circuit for the auto or DAC is generated and verified for the transient analysis. Procedure for the layout simulation includes the layout is generated by using the layout Excel in the Cadence environment. The layout of the auto or DAC is verified for the design rules of the VLSI design, and the layout of the schematic is verified. RC extraction is checked, how much value of the resistor and the capacitors are included, and it is verified for the analysis of the circuit. The experiment includes that is R2R DAC, the design of the schematic of the R2R circuit. DRC, ARC are verified, LVS and RC and back annotation. The procedure includes the creation of the directory for the R2R DAC with its own university seat number. Enter into that directory and invoke the C shell, which is the intermediate between the processor and the Cadence environment. Source the libraries which are present in the path CAD and the CSHRC. Invoke the Virtuoso tool for the generation of the schematic of the R2R digital to analog converter. The library manager is inverted from the Virtuoso going to the tools in the tab. So library of the R2R is generated. For the R2R library, op-amp library are copied, and then we make the add the poly resistor for the R2R and make the appropriate connection of the R2R resistor digital to analog converter with the resistor, adding the series and the parallel combination, and VDD and VSS are given, input and the output terminals are given, and check for the errors. If any errors are present in the circuit, errors will be corrected and it will make it free, and we will get in the console window of the Virtuoso that is schematic check is completed and no errors we should get it. So then only we can go for the testing of the circuit for the analysis, that is transient analysis of the circuit. To generate the test circuit, first the symbol of the R2R DAC is generated. So with the inputs D0, D1 and D2, D3, that is the 4 inputs data and single output we have to get it. So VDD and VSS with the drain current is given. For the inputs D0 to D3, we should provide digital input, that is here D0 is given as V1 equal to 0 to 2 volts, and period of the 2 seconds is given, and pulse width equal to 1 second, that is equal pulse width. The on and off will be equal to 1 and 1 second. For the D1 also is given to the 0 and 2 volts. The total period will be equal to 4 seconds with the on and on off will be equal to 2 seconds each. For the data input D2, the data is given as 0 to 2 volts and the period will be equal to 8 seconds. And for the data D3, so data is V1 is given to the 0 to 2 volts and period of the 16 seconds. So data for the D0 to D3, the period will be increases in power of 2, 2 power of 0, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 3, 2 power of 4 as given. VDC and VSS voltage as given 900 milli and minus 900 millivolts, and drain current is given to the 30 microamperes. So the schematic is saved and check for the errors. If no errors are found, we can go ahead with the analysis. If any errors are present, the errors will be corrected. For the transient analysis, talk time is given to the 100 milliseconds starting from the 0 seconds. The waveforms are observed like this, that is D0, D1, D2 and the D3. So D0 is given as a on and off period equal to on equal to 1 and off equal to 1 second, that is total 1 second duration. D1 is given as a 2 seconds, D3 is given as a 4 and D4 3 is given as the 16, that is 8 and 8 second. So the waveform, the step waveform is observed at the output of the transient analysis of the R to R digital to analog converter. To generate the layout of the R to R DAC, all the windows are closed except the schematic window, and the layout suite is open from the Cadence environment from the library manager. And layout of the R2R DAC is generated and verified for the design rule check for according to the VLSI design, that is lambda based design rules or micron based rules we have to follow, that is distance between the metal layers and the polysilicon layers are verified, and then layout versus the schematic are checked. If both are matched, the layout of the R2R DAC is checked and saved for the waveforms. The results include the schematic and test circuit of the R2R DAC is generated, transient analysis waveform is observed and noted down, layout of the R2R DAC is generated, verified for the DRC, LVS and the RC extraction is verified. References includes the analog manual from the Cadence environment, which is provided by the Cadence company, that is from Bangalore. CMOS VLSI designed the circuits and symbol perspective by Neil Weste. This is an initiative program by Government of Karnataka, that is Learning Management System. The e-content moderator are Mr. Rashikar U, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Government Engineering College, Haveri. E-content developer are Mrs. Kusuma MS, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Government SKSJ Technological Institute, Bengaluru. Thank you.